Now let's claim the lifetime software. This is the one of the best data recovery software which I suggest you to visit and use this software. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just copy the link and paste the link in the URL. After then, you have to just enter your name, just enter your email address here and select your country and click here on the send button. Now let me fulfill the following requirement, and after click on the sandbox you will appear this type of the pop-up. You have to check out your email address where you received a mail from the gen. Let me check, and if you didn't receive the mail from the gen, you can check out your spam, and this will be appear there. If you didn't get that email address there, then you can also contact your provider. So what you have to do, you have to just download the software, and after then you have to just copy these. This license key will work for lifetime, so just click here to download and install the software. Click here and it will automatic download. Now let's install the software. Click next, click agree and install. It will take a little bit more time, so stay and wait. After installing, the software will look like this. What you have to do now you have to just click here to start. If there is the multiple device, you will look here. Let me insert some external devices like USB or something. Look, I have my external device which name KC, and this is appear here. If I need to just backup of the this external device, I have to select it and click here to the next. Or if I need to get backup of this one, then I will click here and click here to the next. And here is the multiple option for your device. Like if you need to recover your emails, you can check or uncheck. You can just click here to the file and folder of your desktop. You can check. You can check the document, you can check the picture, you can check out the music, means mp4 or audio files, and you can check it out like videos, or you can check it out for bookmark or something. There is the multiple option which is available here, so I will select here the picture and the music or something more. So whatever you need, like I need videos, music, pictures with the official files like word, excel or access something. So I will check it out and click here to the next. When it will start, you have to just enable the compression. Compress your backup to save space. You can click over here, otherwise you can click to the next, consuming the more space rather than this backup storage. So whenever I choose something like this, so let me check it out. Here is the disk which I select. Here is the next button which I need to click, and here is the option which I really need to specify. Like pictures, I need some important musics. I didn't want to get other files like that. And now I will click here to the compress or save the files and need to just go to the next. It will take a few seconds, so please wait, and after these few minutes it will start loading. So here is the backup stored like for hours to run now, and it will automatically complete the process. Okay, so you can pause the backup, and the backup detail will be appear here like a backup score 3 out of 4, and the restore items, and how we can get the entire process for free for lifetime. You have to just click here, enter the license key, and you have to paste that license key which I give you there. This is the license key which I personally share with you, like this is the palace where we get the license key in our email box. So if you have this license key, you can register via this one, and you can click over here and you will appear the message of thank you for registering Gen timeline software. So this is the thing which you can prefer to get a backup or something. So if I will select something like this, so it will definitely appear like this. So I have the removable device here. So what I have to just choose, this is the device which I need to recover. So first of all, I have to select this one. If I just need to select that one, then a local disk C will be selected. So I am going to select the removable disk D. Now click here, and now there is the multiple option. I will clear first of all. There is the multiple option available here. Like if I have to restore the pictures, I can select over here. If I have the music and need to restore, I can click here. And the videos which I need to restore, I can click here. If I have some important files of Microsoft Office or something, so I can click over here. If I need something, some financial file to recover, I need to click over here. iPad or something, this type of the malicious compression. Okay, so I need to just give a brief demo to all of you guys. So I'm just selecting these type of the options, like picture and music, and just click here to the next. And after this one, you have to option to check out, there is the compression of your backup to save space, but I didn't want to click over there. So here is the space which estimated data size is 143.68 MB, and now it will automatically appear and start to backupping the files. There is the pending, 20 items are also pending here. So let's check how it will calculate and how to get the backup and how I can track the history of our backup files. So you have to just click here to track your backup history. Here is the today's history, and now you can click here to check it out. So this is the thing which I need to just check it out, like this one. And how we can just grab the all the files which we have backup or something. After then, there is the multiple file which is pending here, like 39 items also pending, or something more are going to be searched. So you can check it out, the percentage or the device. There is the music recovered, and some pictures also going to recover here. And this is the free space which is like this. Okay, so let me just check it out something more. So this is the thing which we need to know. And when I just click to the pause of the backup, you are currently protected. And how we can click here to get the backup. This is the files which are pending to recover, showing the file 100 items more. And let me tell you where your file will be selected or saved. Here is this name of your file, like C and genuine timeline. Here is the name, you can change or use and save it. Okay, so when you complete the process, you have to just click over there to be saved or complete a folder of files. Okay, so if you are working with this one, you will select the genuine file or folder and just click over here. Okay, this is the thing how to just assure that where your data should be saved. So this is the thing, and this is the very important mode of your data recovery software. So thank you for watching the video. If you didn't understand how to get restore your files and back up all the files, you can comment us. We will make a separate video for this particular uh, data recovery. So this video was completely belongs to the how to get a lifetime software of this type of the recovery software, how to get a lifetime recovery software. So this was belongs to that one. Okay, you can use my serial number. If the following further didn't work, then you can use the this one. And you can also check out that the description box, there will be multiple serial number available, because I will mention there the multiple serial number where there. Okay, thank you. Let's meet to the another video, guys. Thank you for watching the video till the end.